Why did U.S. forces strike Iran over Hormuz? Because the U.S. says Iran hit commercial shipping first, and Washington answered with strikes on missile and drone sites plus coastal radar in a fast, limited escalation near the Strait of Hormuz. The immediate trigger was a drone attack on a cargo ship a day earlier in the Strait of Hormuz. That attack pushed the U.S. to strike Iran in response. President Donald Trump said the assault violated the ceasefire, putting the shipping lane and the truce at the center of the crisis. U.S. Central Command said American forces struck Iranian missile and drone storage sites and coastal radar installations. The targets were multiple missile and drone facilities near the Strait of Hormuz and on Qeshm Island on Friday. The wording suggests a limited strike aimed at answering the shipping attack without widening the fight further. CENTCOM framed Iran's move as unwarranted aggression against commercial shipping. That matters because the Strait of Hormuz is not just a military flashpoint, it is a live trade route. Once ships are targeted there, every side has to decide whether to keep the ceasefire alive or answer force with force. The key detail is that the U.S. strike appeared limited. That leaves the next decision with Iran. If Tehran treats this as the end of the exchange, the ceasefire may hold. If it answers again, the shipping lane and the truce both come under immediate pressure. Right now, the story is not just about one strike. It is about whether attacks on shipping in the Strait of Hormuz become the new red line. The U.S. says Iran crossed it, and the next Iranian move will show whether this stays contained or escalates fast.